वो दूसरी लड़कियों की तरह तो थी नहीं।
I mean, you're not like other girls. You're different.
In films and pop culture, this phrase has been thrown around by men, fictional or otherwise, to convey how unique a woman of their interest is as opposed to how bland other women are.
Here's why you're not like other girls is not a compliment.
I'm sure at one point in our lives, we all felt flattered and blushed when a guy came up to us and said ki, "Oh, I really like you, you're not like the other girls."
Yeah, well, I'm not like the other girls.
Hey guys, I'm not like other girls.
This is because the media portrays women as one-dimensional characters that are mostly concerned with superficial things and are hence devoid of a personality. So this phrase is pretty problematic because if you think about it, it's not just an insult to everyone who identifies as a woman, but it also implies that women can't be multifaceted. They can't be smart and into girly things. If you're padhaku or nerdy, you can't also be into fashion and makeup and be flirtatious. It's kind of a backhanded compliment because when you say a woman is desirable because she's not like other women, it technically means that women in general are undesirable and uninteresting.
लड़की क्यों न जाने क्यों लड़कों सी नहीं होती.
The not like other girls trope in Western media and the evolved Indian media, which has greatly been influenced by the West, creates an us versus them mindset that pits women displaying the archetypal feminine traits such as being expressive, emotional, sensitive, enjoying fashion, shopping, cooking, against women that have traits that are considered typically masculine, such as being into cars, playing video games, dressing down, not wearing makeup, downing an entire pizza on the very first date instead of ordering a salad. You know what I'm saying?
वो लड़की जो सबसे अलग है, वो लड़की जो सबसे अलग है.
Originally in Bollywood, this phrase was used by men for women who were bholi bhali, doodh ki dhuli hui simpletons who would prefer going to clubs in a salwar kameez as opposed to vain, bitchy women who actually had agency and expressed their attraction towards the hero, but of course confidence and assertiveness were a turn-off for them. Some of us even claim with pride that we mostly have male friends and not too many girlfriends because the latter do too much drama. But that's no surprise since the media has fed us content like this for years.
अब ठीक है? ठीक है.
So we're bound to have internalized misogyny. This not like other girls stereotype puts women under the pressure to act cool and stay calm even when they're extremely annoyed lest they'll be termed as crazy, which is already a very common form of gaslighting that women have to deal with.
Cool girl never gets angry at her man.
But can we even say that all women are alike? Not at all. No two humans are alike. So in a way, not like other girls is absolute nonsense since it dictates that all women must be one and the same. So next time you want to compliment a woman, maybe put some effort and come up with a real one.